Hello guys, this is Dustin from Dustin Allen. This is part 2, probably out of part 3. So 2 out of 3 or 4. Just getting these old bastards out. So, yep, here we go. You're not going to be able to see this, I'm dearly sorry. But I'm going to make this very fast for both of us. Obviously, I'm not going to be putting it back together because I have to save up and buy a new motor. Or hopefully someone out there would be very gently and kind and support me, a motor. I took out the circuit board right here. I don't know if it's a speed control or not, but I was kind of thinking if I put a Titan 750 off of a what is it, a Hummet slash, I think. I'll put a link into the Hummet I'm talking about. I was just thinking, since the Hummet's heavy and this is heavy, and they're both 4-wheel drives, I was thinking of putting a Titan 750 in it. But I just want a bigger motor, therefore I can do donuts and peel out or burn outs, other type of stuff. Make the tires burn and rubber. No, I'm kidding. But then I'm afraid of the gearing and then burning out the electronics. So I do need some advice and other stuff like that. Alright, got them damn screws out. Now, watch and learn. Here it up. No, one part came off, and the other part. Alright. So, comes off just like that. Now this, U-joints, I don't know if they're supposed to be like that. One side shorter than the other, and the other side's longer. I just put $300 worth of grease on these. Well, I think it's $1,000 grease. Like I said, stepdad was a semi-truck driver, so he gave me some of his rear end stuff. When he was a semi-driver, so he had some leftover stuff. So, those are out. Put those screws right there. I'll put them on later. Now, what the fuck is going on here? Shit's dirty from all that dirt, that's for sure. Oops, sorry, camera. Alright, guys. Yeah, crap's nasty. So, let's see. There is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more screws to take off. There's one hidden. I know it. Oh, and I gotta take these little side boxes. So, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Fuck, it doesn't matter about screws. Give me about 4 minutes, and you'll see this entire thing just open sesame. Put this right here, on here. I can't do that. Yep. Back to, this is the stand for now. Is putting it right here. So let's see how that goes. I'm terribly sorry for the camera. Come in. I was going to ask you for your garage light. You can come in. I was going to ask you for the that light that you can put underneath the hood, and therefore you can see the inside of the engine bay. That's my stepdad. An awesome man.
Here, this is one from your house. This has got like a soft white light bulb. That other one I got would be too fucking bright in here, dude. It'd fucking burn your retinas. That one's got like a little sissy lamp. Right. Be careful with those things, man. You break that light bulb or something, that just exposes 2 electrodes. You know, a lot of guys with the old school light bulbs, man, those fucking things have started a lot of fires. So be careful. Those are almost idiot proof. It's plastic, and with the fluorescent bulb, there's no power. But with them old school 100-watt bulbs that got hot, and these used to be metal cages, you know what I'm talking about? Have you
Yeah,
ever
my
seen
grandma
those?
has one.
Joe, yeah, he's
Yeah.
probably got at least two. A lot of fires, and a lot of fucking people get hurt, because once you break that, that's just two little fucking electrodes, just bzz, like a stun gun.
Well, thank you.
Oh, that's shit. That was wrong. That came from that house there. Yeah, and they get knocked over and the light bulb breaks really easy. Watch the cord from the hook. Trip over it.
Yay. Well, we got more light, people. About time. Door can be open. Now you guys get more light. Now I'm just wishing that we can hang this. God dang, we're already at 6 minutes. Alright guys, let me get back to taking this apart then. It's gonna be that. Well, we got more light, at least. Thanks to my stepdad, Gerald. His business is ZZT Sports. Makes the #1 pickle paddles in the world. You may want to go by that website. It's really nice. Mom and I have known him for about 2 years now, and it's really fun. But anyways, so anti-billion-dollar company, or I'm sorry, millionaire. Paddles last for years and years, and that ain't no bull. Or a joke, I'm sorry. God damn, why is there a freaking crack in the frame? If there's a crack in the frame, like that I just showed you guys, is that gonna affect my gears and all that other type of cool stuff? So now I'm guessing I need some advice. That'd really be it'd be nice to know. Like if I need a new transfer case, or not transfer case, gearing case and motor case, and I'm fucked. Because I don't see no one else having a 110 scale H2 Radio Shack Comro 03, you know? But, I guess we'll find out later, huh? Let's crack this bitch open. And I gotta take these out. Are you kidding me? Screws aren't even out. Hold up, I'm sorry, guys. Now let's try. Breakaway! Hate those O2 screws. Damn, the freaking light's too damn bright. Oh, no, so if I'm replacing this motor, I'll show you later, but the yellow and red wire, do I have to unsolder them or something and put the new motor's wires on there? It'd be nice if you guys can tell me. Never had to replace a motor before. Her electric RC motor, I'm sorry. So, there we go. Come on, bitch. About time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Fuck's that? Oh. Alright. So, Now I got this free and loose. It would really be nice to get that damn motor out of there. So give me a second and I'll show you guys something cool. Without me dropping my phone. Okay. Let's see. Hold up. Gotta take these little bastards out. Alright guys, this is Dustin from Dustin Allen. We're going to do part 3. It's 10, almost 11 minutes. So we'll see you in part 3.